So what am I trying to say, my brothers? What am I trying to say, my sisters? Let people be. Let people be happy in their marriage. Be happy for people. Defend people. Just as a Jama First Lady husband, sister, take defend her. Ask me why that person house not was sweet. Ask me why that sister house not was sweet. When you want me my own sweets, I too put you for my prayer. I too put you for my prayer, and you know, guy they be making no work because I know they pray. May the good spirit destroy you. I they pray the happiness when I find. May you find out times 10 because I lerun ne no I lerun. That they pray make person where they look up to you better pass you so that you will sing your praise the more. You understand? Our home must better, you know, get it be. So please, wakirewa we do wakirewa wala go. Mona come back from this una things one and they do, Mona come back. We the wives, we know they get them funny anymore. Our husband, not they get them funny anymore. You come my house because I be your younger sister, you try to disrespect my husband. You don't do that. If you love me as a sister, you love my husband. Anything I bring come, anything, if you black, he be saying I ain't come poor pass for this life. It not concern and my choice. Now my choice. Anything I see inside, now me get time, won't be your own. Not be your own. Leave on. If you don't want to help us, leave us. We will survive. God go help us. Now, waiting I want be that one. If you not still favor me, I will still move. You know, guy they be must favor if you not put on a mats. You know, guy they be make the come be say man that man can't change tomorrow or that man not gonna know me tomorrow. May they change because of waiting the whole reason so your family do them. Not be waiting you in particular do them. All these things not the finish generation things. Ask the men where they fuck women up. Ask the men where they say, I beg you, no, this woman not rich again. They don't fed up because the family have been giving them headache. You don't they give them headache, everyone. You don't they give them. Don't be lie. More check where our problem from come. More will stop to the give our brother wife problem. Now we they hear and pass well. Now not be say men not they hear them. Sometimes men will marry that they hear we. That they hear no, that they hear we. You understand? Especially when it be younger sister, you can't bring boy where they don't like and they can't see senior. If you not take time, you will dead there. They will say, "May your husband go clean their motor." Oviere no go fit talk say no because all me worry. Oviere can never talk. He go reach us. You can't pour all of them for my head. Are you people helping your sisters? Are you people really truly loving your sister that way? For you to let them go home knowing full well say that thing will take place, they will talk about them, and you want them to go home after all those things, you want their home to be scattered, and you say you love them. Is that really love? Please rethink. Do sober reflection, I beg you, because anything you do today, you will reap on tomorrow. If you there for marriage right now, we know the work. Where be say man, your husband not they stay for house. You be they think say love you, but you know they stay for house. You know they get your time. You always they go woman to woman. Check what you do yesterday. Do sober reflection right now. Find those people if you not see them. Find person where you know somebody where you know somebody. If your brother peradventure not come marry those people or your sister not marry them, go and say you sorry. Maybe those people are just happy right now. Maybe they don't even remember you again. They don't remember you, know me say where the tie you put you lose. They don't remember you. Why? Because the brain see say man that thing they torment them. It will carry and come up for where they quit the scene. Go hide down for the secret place. Go hide down for the inner boss where they not go remember again. But believe me, you the day where you feel see them, call them, beg them, you will see say man they'll start to cry. They'll start to cry because the brain go fish them out for the storage where he put them. It be not remember now me cannot the cry put again. He go bring them back again. That she can't remember those pain. He can't cry put. That cry will come be cry of blessing. Then she will truly or he will truly forgive you. You will see say man, you don't need native doctor. You don't need pastor. You don't need prophet to come see your problem for you. You cause your problem by yourself. Fix it yourself. You know, guy, you will pray, reach my brother. You know, guy, you will pray, reach my sister. Maybe say somebody where you hurt, he can't go come out, what you do, say it not happen again. forget those things. Not the work now, just brainwashing thing. May you take get hope, may you not take the think your problem again. Fix your problem. Stop being a barrier to your brother's marriage. Stop being a barrier to your sister's marriage. Even if say you never marry, you'll marry tomorrow. And a seed you just plant, just as I talk just now, where my grandma say, remove that seed for ground. I don't understand. You put your seed for ground, you put water, you can't put water, it can't big, it can't get different branches. You understand? So you need to suffer, go uproot that tree by yourself. Only you now go still uproot them, because now your own tree, now your favorite tree. You need to kill them by yourself, and you alone now go feed one for you to have happiness, for you to have breakthrough, for all this problem where they fall on top of problem, for solve for your life. Only fasting and prayer no go work out. Somebody somewhere, their marriage not work. They are single mothers now, they are single fathers now. All because of you, all because of the lie where you go talk for Ikegbe, all because of the lie where you go tell husband where they are abroad, and you want those kind of people to just easily forgive you like that. Every year working, my brothers and sisters, check yourself and just free yourself from all these things and just make peace with yourself. Like seriously, make peace with yourself. Accept and say you bad. No they talks, no they convince people say you not bad. You bad. People they say you bad. Things where you do bad, automatically you are bad now. If you check out my brothers and sisters, with all due respect to each and every one of you, all of us now twins in the spiritual realm. If you are not careful, we'll be triplets. This one will be another topic for another day. Because you now you, that is, you think so you be one, but your papa they inside you, you don't be two. Your mama they inside you, you don't be three. You understand? So that's 3 in 1 where you be. You supposed to take lead, but papa they want take a lead, mama they want take a lead. No, make I leave papa and mama. See this thing, I pray make God make una understand. All depends on what you they talk, all depends on what you they see, all depends on the message. These 3 category when I talk, so if it still be good and bad, you understand? If it be say these 3 spirits where they operate for only your life now the spirit of hate, the spirit of love, and your own personal spirits, which is father, mother, and the son. You understand? You now the son, you get your own life to live. That is why you alone will take the full responsibility of what you now do. Your papa, your mama, or the bad, the evil don't go sleep. Now your hand, now they see for that thing. I just hope you understand, my sisters. I hope you understand, my brothers. But when the bad do something, you don't want to accept that bad thing a part of you. You do always they show people say, no, I good though, I be good person, I not be evil person. You do always give that good part glory. How you say make the bad side of you make it feel? He go rebel. He go they bring himself out every time. Imagine when parents they show one of our siblings love, they ignore us. We go the verse. Now they all for they do things where we know say go provoke her. We don't agree. Now waiting they happen to some of us spiritually where we don't know. We know they want accept the bad of us. We know they want accept that part where people they see say no good. We they want they showcase to people say no, not be like that. I good. See what thing I do that day. See what thing I do that day. We they admire that good one. They ignore that part of us where it's still bad. You know, I think back. If you walk that way, if you walk, you have to embrace the two of them. Embrace the bad. How you want to embrace the bad? When you do bad, accept the facts. Say they bad. Accept and say now you do it. Accept and not defend them. If you later come say they bad, because good still inside you, we go tell you say hey, bad you don't still start or bad now you just do it. Accept them. Then when you do good, accept, give praise to good. Say oh my God, I love what I do today. Then you now come in. That's the soul, the conscience where they inside will now come operate. Now will come they operate. They now control the two of them. Come balance the two of them. Two of them come there at peace because you accept your faults and you accept say you did right. You understand? So without we not accept say we did faulty, without we not embrace that part of us where they bag, where they always they bring the ugly heads come out. Now part of us we can't deny that fact. We don't feel deny that fact, not be lie. Now part of us, we should embrace it, we should work on it to make it better. We should accept it. Once we accept picking will come good, picking will come humble, picking where they radical before, show and love, you will see say that picking will calm down. You understand? So accept your true self, work with the bad and the good, but let the head of the good always dey speak. Na make am we dey talk say nobody is perfect because e no get the big pass. One day the bad one go still show itself, say forget it, nothing dey happen, I never die, I still dey here. You understand? So all of us embrace that part of us. We just accept am so that everywhere go just good, so that everybody will live in peace. Accept your ugly, accept your good, and take full control of the situation. With this, all of us can live in peace and in harmony. With this, all of us can just move forward. All of us go just dey happy. Love go just dey flow everywhere. Honestly speaking, with all due respect to the people where this thing concern, with all due respect to each and every one of you, I just hope my sister understand. Please pardon me say I talk this matter like this, but things happen for a reason, my sister. Yeah, we tell me segoe, and I will still use this opportunity to beg all of una, make una not dey insult again. Una not dey insult. This insult, that make me join even one pumas for this matter. That make me come dey make una understand. Say man. Now be the genesis of all these things, all these curses wey they place on ourselves. Wife go play curse on husband family because of what his sister do. Husband go place curse on wife family because of what they do. At the end of the day, we just dey rub and swim for inside curse. Make una beg. Curse no good. Una no know the power where our tongue carry. E no important say you can't say I return the curse to devil. Who fair carry am, you know whether na devil fair carry am. And this parable they say I pray so una never see chicken now where use mouth take keep pikin. Me I don't see, because for my grandma house that year we come train chicken, we come dey train okpabi we dey train them well. So I dey see when mama just provoke, we all use mouth take carry that one for inside, go all boot and throw away. The small chicken you want new one, you understand? So mona forget, mona only talk am again, and I don't know they use it the year. Who do something yesterday never do something before you come out call it and say I not put for anybody hand, we change the fact say who want use and take do something never do something since yesterday. So more they control our emotion. More try to know how to they sing when they verse. When they sing, when they verse, you see say we'll take control of the matter. Not go play music where go provoke you well. Play the music where they give you joy. Play the music where will give you meditation. Not be meditate that they call them. Play positive music. You will see saying the situation will die low. You will see say man everything will work well, and you will see say everything they pray for before, all of them come to pass. Everything where they pray make God do for you, all of them you can work out. You know why? Not be say because say evil don't lose. No, because you don't react when devil want make you react. So make we beg more no they curse people we senior us again. I'm tell my mommy very you do. I'm my every man I go na I do me with my question on my mind na yet do. Why? Not so they take train us. I keep anywhere I can stand and say it. Not be they take train us. They not train us. Make we they insult our elderly ones. We man I go and well for adopt this thing. Where? You will see my adult people, they saw this woman, Mama Gladys. It's not fair. She reached to burn some of us. Make we stop her, I beg you. Regardless anything what you think about her, regardless, just take your own message for the message. May you rest, my sister. Aleru na bonye mwezo ariowa. Aleru na bonye viologomanoro. Wala wo. Why we na mona rest. Mona no dey curse that woman again. Because if you not look and where. If you not look and where, if you not using that eye to look and where, now she be the grace way there for this matter. Now she now make many people hear my opinion. So now she now cause and when many people give different perspective, when make people talk at what that they go through for their marriage. So must give on to her, my sister. Believe me, you. Thanks to her now, mother-in-law don't speak her mind. She's at peace. Jama First Lady will still be at peace by the special grace of God. In the name of that love, we join two of them together. She will find a place to forgive. Now, what me and you will they pray for? So that make our own marriage for still good. So that make peace for still day. So that make people can still rejoice with us. Now, what we suppose they do? Most they thank her because she bring peace, bring everlasting settlement come that family, because na okuta pane na e reach so where they reach ekenene se or se na even abata. Apart from our great egwa, as far as we dey for this social media, na that sense I take talk am I not talk am say social media me gi say egwa me say, but my redo right now Europe on anasunu na make me talk say social media he said this is public opinion, this is public judging, you understand? If we call the woman family, the man family, you know go settle like this. Everybody will still vex. As different people give their opinion, so it good like that. Mama will know where she for wrong. Sister-in-law will know where for wrong. Husband, in my own opinion, you know you get wrong at all. You know you get wrong because in a one person where they for two great women, he not feel leave your wife for your mama, he not feel leave your mama for your wife, neither the wife will feel do the same thing. So in are just victim of too strong love, you understand? And a good thing for you, my brother. I appreciate you, I celebrate you for having this good pillar behind you, one for front, one for back. Believe me, my brother, if you fit bring them together, if you fit beg your mama, beg your wife, you fit bring them together. Una foundation, the tree with the seed one I'll put for ground from today, now go be the most solid seed so far where we don't ever hear for history. Mark my word, my brother. Just go on. May the good spirit continue to bless and strengthen your family. And I appreciate everybody who give their opinion for this matter. Everybody will give positive opinion. Everybody will give a negative opinion. At the end of the day, we only show the kind spirits what would they accommodate for our body. We only show to the world who we be on anyhow we take talk this matter. I appreciate you all. I say thanks to all of you who speak out concerning this matter. I say may your home be peaceful. May you find a place in your heart to forgive anybody where don't offend you, so that you can still move forward, so that heaven will still forgive you, so that the good spirit will still forgive you. Make we all let peace reign. Thank you all very much for sharing this your wonderful time with me. At last it don't finish. I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you not take this my audio personal. I hope you not take any of my video personal. If this my audio offend you in any way, or my video, any of my video in any way, in any form, personally offend you, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. For love's sake, for peace sake, because I know they on my camera to insult anybody. I just define common ground to make peace. I just try to represent the change what I truly want. I just try to be the change what I want to see around me, what I want to see for my great state Edo, what I want to see for my great country Nigeria. Now they make me they do what they do, not to piss you off, not to provoke you. Absolutely no. Very far from my thinking. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you find being way near you, may you throw away the one way not good inside. For peace sake, for love's sake. And I pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us, protect our going out and our coming in, give us reason to love, tolerate and forgive each other, give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge and every other bad stuff. Till I come your way next time, please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Don't forget to share my videos, don't forget to patronize me, and don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love, love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video, one love.